What if I told you a man scored 38 points in the NBA Finals while literally dying on the court? June 13th, 1997, Game 5 of the NBA Finals in Salt Lake City. Michael Jordan could barely stand during warm-ups, his face pale as a ghost. The flu had completely destroyed his body, but the Bulls needed this win. In the first half, he missed shot after shot, stumbling around like he'd never played basketball. The team doctors pumped him full of IV fluids during halftime just to keep him conscious. But then came the fourth quarter, 25 seconds left on the clock. Jordan pulled up from beyond the arc and drained the most clutch three-pointer in finals history. The Utah crowd went dead silent as he collapsed straight into Scottie Pippen's arms. 38 points while his body was shutting down. Pure willpower turned into basketball legend. This wasn't just a game, this was the moment that defined greatness forever.